Hello everyone. Today I am cooking gyudon, the sweet beef on the rice for lunch. Today is Saturday, so my daughter doesn't have a school. So I'm showing you how to make a gyudon. First, I'm gonna cook rice. I'm going to make 2 cups of rice. That's enough for 4 people. First, I'm going to cut tamanegi, which is the onion. I'm using white onion today. We usually use the white onion for gyudon instead of like red onion. For gyudon, I'm going to use the Japanese Wagyu beef sliced. Try to use the beef with high fat content for this one because it will be softer. This is about 290 grams. It was 1612 yen. So a little bit expensive, but I think it's worth it. I'm going to shimohuri the beef in a 60 degrees water. Shimohuri is one of Japanese cooking technique, putting the meat or seafood into the hot water before cooking it to clean up. For fish, we use much higher temperature. And the reasons for shimohuri is to take out the blood to eliminate the extra beefy smell and also taking out the excess fat to avoid becoming too greasy. And when meat become pinkish color, you take it out and put them into the iced water to avoid further cooking, and it's done. Now I'm going to make a stock for gyudon. I put dashi stock powder into the water and boil it for a few minutes. It takes only 2-3 minutes for the stock to be ready. And this is sake, rice wine. And put soseto, which is brown sugar. First, put onions. And if you start to see some white bubbles, you take it out. And when onions is a little softer, then it's ready. Then I'm gonna put meat. These meat are half cooked, so I need to cook them a little bit further. First, I'm gonna cook them in this sweet stock. Then I'll put soy sauce later. This is a Tamari Soy Sauce, which is aged soy sauce, which has more umami than regular soy sauce. You see that it's much darker and it's thicker than other soy sauce. But salt content is same as other soy sauce. And the rice is ready. I'm gonna make a donburi. Donburi means that put something over the rice on a rice bowl. So gyudon means gyu means beef in Japanese. Don is a part of name of donburi. So gyudon is the beef on the rice bowl. So put meat, onions at the end. Pour some of the sauce, sweet sauce over. And this is done. Gyudon is a very popular dish in Japan. We cook at home. You can also find gyudon restaurants in Japan as well. And if you do not like beef, then you can use pork, you can use chicken, and if you don't eat meat, you can use tofu even. Should be fine as well. I'm using Tamari soy sauce for this gyudon, but I think it's difficult for you to get Tamari soy sauce in your country. So please do use the dark soy sauce. That should be fine as well. I have been using dark soy sauce to make a gyudon for a long time. But when I traveled to Ise city in Mie prefecture, I went to this gyudon restaurant and the taste was very different. And find out that they use Tamari soy sauce to make their gyudon. So I have been using this Tamari soy sauce to make gyudon for a few years now. Uh, Tamari soy sauce is much darker and it's very rich. So if you have access to Tamari soy sauce, that's great. Use it. But if you don't, then you just use dark soy sauce and it should be fine as well. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope that you get a chance to make a gyudon at home. And if you have any question, you can ask me in my comment. I will try to reply. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.